unexplained digestive issues, fatigue, skin problems, or even mental health issues. Have you been suffering from any one of these symptoms? What if I told you that the root cause might be something called leaky gut syndrome, also known as the increased intestinal permeability? This condition, if left untreated, can lead to a cascade of health issues. Stay tuned because today we are diving deep into what leaky gut is and how you can heal it with some powerful supplements and healthy lifestyle. Let us get started. To kick things off, let us get a clear understanding of what leaky gut syndrome really is. Picture your gut lining as a finely woven fabric, a barrier designed to control what enters your bloodstream. This barrier is selective, allowing nutrients to pass through while keeping harmful substances out. However, when this fabric gets damaged, tiny holes start to form between the cells, allowing harmful substances like toxins, undigested food particles, and bacteria to seep into your bloodstream. This breach can trigger a domino effect of immune responses and inflammation. Imagine your body going into overdrive trying to fight off these invaders. This can lead to a host of health issues from digestive disorders and autoimmune diseases to even mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. It is like a chain reaction where one problem leads to another. Now let us explore the best supplements to support a leaky gut. These supplements can help restore the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and promote overall gut health. Each one plays a unique role in the healing process. The first one is L-glutamine. L-glutamine is a powerhouse amino acid crucial for maintaining the gut lining's integrity. Imagine it as the repairman of the gut, fixing the damaged parts and strengthening the barrier. It helps repair and regenerate the gut lining, making it essential for anyone dealing with leaky gut. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology shows that L-glutamine significantly enhances gut barrier function in irritable bowel syndrome patients. Typically, a dose of 5 to 10 grams per day is recommended, but always consult a healthcare professional to determine the right doses for you. The second is probiotics. Probiotics are the friendly bacteria that keep your gut microbiome healthy. Think of them as the guardians of your gut, maintaining the balance of good and bad bacteria, which is key for gut health. Studies in the Frontiers in Microbiology highlights that probiotics reduce intestinal permeability and improve leaky gut symptoms. Opt for a high-quality supplements with multiple strains and at least 10 billion CFUs. The next is collagen peptides. Collagen, the body's most abundant protein, supports the gut lining's structure. Imagine collagen peptides as the scaffolding that holds your gut lining together, aiding in repair and reducing inflammation. A study in nutrients found that collagen peptides enhance gut barrier function and alleviate digestive disorders. Aim for about 10 grams per day, which you can easily add to your smoothies, coffee, or other drinks. The fourth is zinc carnosine. Zinc carnosine, a blend of zinc and carnosine, shields the gut lining and promotes its healing. It's like a protective layer that helps your gut recover. Research from the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition demonstrates zinc carnosine's ability to improve gut integrity and reduce inflammation. The usual dosage is around 75 mg per day taken with meals. The fifth is quercetin. Quercetin, a potent flavonoid, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can soothe gut inflammation and support the gut lining's healing. Imagine it as a calming balm for your irritated gut. A study in nutrients revealed that quercetin reduces gut permeability and enhances gut health. The recommended dose ranges from 500 to 1000 mg per day. The sixth is digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes break down food, improving nutrient absorption and reducing gut strain, thus promoting healing. Think of them as the workers breaking down food into manageable pieces for your gut to handle. According to the Journal of the Clinical Gastroenterology, supplementing with digestive enzymes can enhance digestion and alleviate leaky gut symptoms. Look for a broad spectrum enzyme supplement that includes protease, lipase, and amylase. The seventh is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can calm gut inflammation and support healing. They are like the firefighters, putting out the flames of inflammation in your gut. A study in gastroenterology research and practice showed that omega-3 supplements improve gut health and reduce inflammatory bowel disease symptoms. A daily dose of 1000 to 2000 mg of EPA and DHA is typically recommended. The eighth is aloe vera. Aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, can heal the gut lining and reduce inflammation. Imagine it as soothing gel that calms and repairs your gut. Research in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine found that aloe vera improves gut health and alleviates digestive disorders. Use aloe vera juice or supplements as directed on the label. These methods have been used for centuries and offer holistic ways to maintain gut health. In Ayurveda, a balance of the doshas is essential. Triphala, an herbal blend of 3 fruits, supports digestion and gut health by acting as mild laxative and cleansing the digestive tract. It is like a gentle sweep for your digestive system, ensuring it runs smoothly. Traditional Chinese medicine emphasizes dietary balance and includes herbs like licorice and ginger to support gut health. Acupuncture can also regulate digestion and enhance overall well-being by balancing the body's energy. When it comes to naturopathy, it focuses on natural remedies and lifestyle changes. Probiotics, prebiotics, dietary adjustments, and stress management are often recommended. It is about using nature's tool to heal and maintain your body. Unani medicine, a traditional South Asian system, balances bodily humors. Herbal remedies like fennel and peppermint support digestion and gut health, ensuring that your digestive system functions optimally. There you have it. By incorporating these supplements and traditional approaches, you can naturally support and heal your gut. Remember, while these supplements can be beneficial, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting, especially to determine the right doses for you and avoid potential interactions. Remember, a balanced diet, proper hydration, and healthy lifestyle choices are key to maintaining a healthy gut. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Medifit Mosaic, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Also, let me know in the comments if you have tried any one of these supplements or traditional remedies and how they have worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.